Are you ready?
Hi and Assalammualaikum. I'm Nuraqida Najiha Binti Muhammad Rafee with metric number 280593. So today I'm gonna talk about the SWOT analysis of Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad, which is BIMB. Okay, for introduction, Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad is a financial institution in Malaysia. Nowadays, people tend to use the bank as for their place to keep their money. This is because of high level of safety being implied on their assets, such as the case of money. Only the best bank with high quality and customer service can survive the beat other newly grown and exist bank in the market. BIMB is the first Islamic bank in Malaysia, which was incorporated as a public company in March of 1983. BIMB is providing service to its customer, especially in the process of transferring and borrowing the money. Next, I'm gonna talk about the SWOT analysis of BIMB, which is stand for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Okay, for strength, 1. Mobile and online banking. Nowadays, many customers are interested in conducting business over the internet, either selling or use goods or buying product. Therefore, they need to have a credit card to make payment to another party. This will lead to strain of BIMB due to its low interest of credit card provided to their customer. 2. High number of ATM BIMB. Other than that, BIMB also provided many ATM machines all over the country to ease the transaction of money by customer. They only need to use their ATM card and reduce the time spent to the queuing and undergo procedure in the bank itself. The higher number of ATM BIMB will increase customer loyalty toward BIMB and at the same time become one of its strengths. 3. High R&D. Besides, BIMB also involved in R&D, which is stand for research and development, to improve their service quality provided to their customer. They continuously make research regarding the banking industry and search for alternatives that will provide a high competitive advantages to them. High research and development may become one of their strengths over others. And the last is wide coverage area of service provides. BIMB also provide a wide coverage area of service by placing their outlet in all states with addition ATM machine. This attention is shown as their strength of providing service of BIMB at all places regardless of places. Some banking companies choose a certain place to build their outlet to reduce expenses. However, BIMB places customer as their priority and not their revenue. Thus, it becomes the strength of BIMB to gain customer loyalty. Next is weakness. 1. Limited to one segment. BIMB also face weakness on limited segment provided. This is because BIMB only involved in the banking transaction without participation in other segments such as properties or sales. BIMB also provides service in financial purpose and not providing other service or products such as service that are related to airline or travel agency. This will affect BIMB in the competition with another Islamic bank. 2. Ineffective public dealing. Besides, BIMB also lack effectiveness in dealing with the public. The employee spend their time in the office and deal with customer personally. However, they are not involved in any promotion or event and will affect their skill in dealing with the public in the future time. Customer will have a bad perception of BIMB staff due to their ineffectiveness in dealing with the public. 3. Employees' attitude toward customer. Some customers even make a complaint regarding employees' attitude toward the customer. Some of them may speak harshly and slow and show a little respect to their customer. This becomes a weakness of the operation in BIMB. Customers prefer service provided with good attitude and at high speed without wasting their time to wait for the employees in preparing the document for a long time. And the last is poor connection of technology. The technology used in BIMB is easily broken down and take a long time to repair, especially regarding their ATM machine. This will become an inconvenience to their customer, especially when they are in a hurry. The poor connection of technology also acts as the weakness due to high customer need toward technology products. As there are 4 opportunities that BIMB can look after for their long-term business. The opportunity that BIMB can get are 1. Expanding into Asian market. For the banking industry, BIMB is looking forward to expanding their business to Asian market. This is because of it accordant with their vision, which is to be a global leader in the Islamic banking. For BIMB, in order to penetrate the market and become a leader in the Islamic banking industry, they need to search for a chance to expand their market internationally. For example, they can do a joint venture with another bank in foreign countries such as in Australia, South Korea, and other countries, so that BIMB can be recognized by the people all around the world. 2. Encouragement by government, which the encouragement from the government by increasing the awareness toward bank Islamic had to be give opportunity for BIMB to increase their market growth and market penetration. Besides, by reducing the tax imposed of the bank industry had encouraged BIMB to offer more product and service to its customer. The government also play important role in influencing company in the business industry to increase the percentage of market share in Malaysia. Thus, by taking this opportunity, BIMB can hold the largest market share in Malaysia and finally become the leader in the Malaysian banking industry. 3. Increased economy activity. With the increased economy activity such as increased number of business company established and project the construction to be implemented, the number of loan applied by business people will increase. This is because in order to set up the business, people need to large capital which only can be received from the loan applied to the bank. Thus, it will become the opportunity for BIMB to increase its market share. Nowadays, there is a lot of construction have been made in order to change Malaysia from a developing country to a developed country. Therefore, BIMB grabbed this opportunity to provide loan to bigger and well-established company to a special service those other banks cannot offer to them. And the last is internet and communication technology, which is e-commerce. Technology nowadays are changing faster than before. It is good opportunity for BIMB to provide the best service to the internet. With the high level of people awareness toward the use of the internet, they can access BIMB website to do the transaction of transferring money from their account. Currently, people have fully utilized the presence of internet and communication technology. Thus, with this level of awareness from the customer, BIMB can get opportunity to provide more service to the people who seek for their services. BIMB provide convenience to people by introducing internet banking and mobile banking. Last but not least, there are 3 threats of BIMB can look face in the bank industry. These threats that BIMB need to face are 1. Duplicate website. Because of the presence of technologically advanced, the number of hackers also increase. Thus, it will bring problem to banks such as BIMB, which are using internet banking as one of their service providers. The hacker might duplicate the website and get money when people do a transaction to the bank website. Thus, BIMB will face it as a threat because their website might be hacked by authorized people illegally, and BIMB might face a high amount of loss. 2. High number of entrants of Islamic bank. With the high number of entrants of Islamic bank, BIMB face difficulty in getting new customer, especially if the new bank offer better service to their customer. Thus, it will bring threat to BIMB in order to get new customer and retain the existing customer. And the last is changes in lifestyle. With the changes of lifestyle as people follow the latest technology, BIMB might face difficulty in targeting its customer. This is because their customer who are seeking for service, they are convenient and easy to use might choose other bank which can provide the service with implementation of high technology system. Conclusion. To conclude, BIMB should improve the product development to provide a various type of product and service to their customer. This company should not focus only at one segment, which is financial segment, but also other segment. In addition, BIMB need to focus on their internal and external environment factor, which include the opportunity and threat facing by BIMB in the bank, illustration, and consider about the strength, weakness within the firm. Several critical success factors also can help BIMB in increasing its market share and market growth by comparing with the largest competitor that they face. Thank you.